Hi, welcome back. So today in the fourth series, I'm going to show you how to emboss once we have cut all these strips that I told you that we'll have to cut according to what we want to emboss. So just to get you a feeling of how embossing is done, I have already cut and put few of them over here, so you can see a little emboss, then the ones where there is nothing over here. So if you see here, there is a little embossing, and if you see here, you will see there is no embossing. So what we do for embossing of this style is, I will show you for this strip that I had cut. Now suppose I see some cuts over here, so what I'll do is I'll keep this aside first. I'm going to make smaller cuts in those places. And maybe a very thin line to give this gap. So it feels like the brick. You can cut along and maybe a little very narrow one down. You can always see this color from behind, but because it's embossed, you will be able to see that, oh, it looks like, a brick is stuck on it. So just to give a more 3D effect, we will go ahead and slide a very thin one, so that you can differentiate between the background and the front, and it will look more embossed. Now because I have told you, whenever we cut and we don't want these white lines to be seen anywhere, what we will do is we will again shade it with this distress ink and the brush that we will take, and we will try these lines that you see. I don't want the whiter lines to be seen, because bricks don't come with these white lines, so we need to cover this with color. If I have cut from the sides also, I'm gonna cover that. So see, this side and this side, it's done. This side also I need to, because I cut it, and then I will also do the same over here, right? So now that I have covered, I will take this again, my tray, and I'm going to use this silicone glue to give the embossing effect. Just I will apply a little glue on it. With silicone glue, it always dries a lot, so this has always been an issue. What I do is I just take a pen knife, circle off the dried ones, throw it away, and then use it. This for all the crafters who use silicone glue, this has always been an issue. So if you are crafting for a long time, you will understand what I am speaking. And then I'm just going to place it over here, so you see the effect. Then I'm going to do the same with this one that we cut just now. Again, a little of silicone glue that I'm going to keep. Little, because we will go for 2 layers of embossing, so I'm going to do very less on this, and then again this way. So if you will see now, this line is the one that we've just embossed, and how it looks. This way you can keep on doing for all the lines and finish and give a brick look. I will also, so you can keep on doing it. You can actually put it like this, then this. So for this one, what I'll do is I'll cut these, put on the silicone glue, and put it in 1, 2 and 3. For this one, I will cut from here, stick silicone glue over here, and then stick it. So that's the first layer of gluing that we are going to do, or embossing with the silicone glue that we will do. In the next session, I will show you the second layer of embossing that we do, then how we will make the flowers, stuck it over here, and how we will complete the complete frame.